Hi guys, welcome back to Holoboff's Happy Hour. Today we're talking fundamentals. We're gonna do simple syrup. And it's just like the name sounds, simple. What you're gonna need is sugar. Right here I've got a liter, as much as you want really. Water to go with that sugar, maybe a muddler, a knife. We're gonna make 3 types of syrups today. One, just a regular syrup. One habanero. Make sure after cutting those habaneros, you go wash your hands because, trust me, I'm speaking from experience. I've rubbed my eyes and you're out of commission for like a good hour. And some Blackberry. I bought these Blackberries a week ago. They're just sitting in the fridge going bad. So that's usually where I find my inspiration for what I'm gonna make a syrup out of, things that are about to expire in the fridge. That's how jams were invented, right? Some pots, cutting board, and we're good to go. So guys, the thing about simple syrup is we're just warming it up enough to dissolve the sugar in the water. You know, in the bar, in the restaurant, on the fly, when we run out of syrup because somebody didn't do their pre-shift work, you just use the hot tea water, and that's plenty good. So we got this on low heat here, and we just want to dissolve it. It's equal parts. It's that simple. So that's not going to take long. You can see I used warm water, and as soon as it's clear, it's good to go. You can see that sugar has dissolved. See the bottom of the pot. So I've got a second pot here. I'm going to make that regular. We're gonna keep some regular. Regular is so versatile, you know, we can use it with anything. So there's our batch of regular, done. Habaneros and all peppers, the heat comes from the seeds. So these guys are really quite hot. 2 is a lot, especially for the portion size we're gonna make. Depending on how hot you like things, you know, leave some seeds out. When it comes to this, it's all personal preference. So now we've got our habanero in there. We're gonna leave this for a while. This can sit for at least a half an hour to get some spice going. If you like it extra spicy, you know, a couple hours. And I'm not gonna lie, I've seen it left overnight in the restaurant. Comes out pretty damn spicy. We've let our habaneros soak for about an hour now. The syrup's nice and spicy. Like I said, if you want it a little spicier, leave them in there as long as you want. Grab your tea strainer, man's best friend, bartender's best friend. Get this in as part of your kit soon. Dollar store, because the expensive ones break just as easily. We're gonna tea strain it into our cup, our measuring cup that's got a nice spout. And that's gonna make it a lot easier to get into the bottle. Now, a trick I like to do is put just like 1 in there. A, it lets me know that it's the spicy one, and I don't mix it up with the regular one. And B, it kind of adds a little creeper heat over time. It makes it get like a little bit spicier as the days go by. Our funnel. And I love these things. The old top of a Kochi or Grey Goose bottle. They fit perfectly into these wine bottles. Cork will suffice as well. So our last syrup today is going to be Blackberry. We bought these a couple days ago, probably aren't going to eat them, and that's how I find a lot of my inspiration for syrups. Taking some fruit that's in the fridge that's going to go bad. Just muddle those up, get the color out. Get some flavor going. Maybe turn the heat up a little bit. And once you get a nice dark, deep purple, you can double strain this. Get your tea strainer. Get all those seeds out. You're gonna want a tea strainer for this one. These break quite often, so anything will do. This one I think I got at the dollar store. You definitely want one of those as part of your bar kit. All right, let's see the color on this. Oh yeah, that's great. You get a lot. Tea strainer, bartender's best friend. And that's it, simple syrup, simple. We made our original Habanero, Blackberry. Now it's time to choose some spirits and some other flavors we want in there and make cocktails.